Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to create a very creative look using some makeup from the brand Game Beauty. So they did send this to me. I picked several products out on their website to use for today's video. So thank you so much, Game Beauty, for sending this to me. So Game Beauty is basically video game makeup for gamers. It's inspired by games, and gamers created this makeup brand. So I was like, let me go ahead and do like some sort of gaming makeup look. Well, I was thinking Animal Crossings because I played Animal Crossings religiously, and I thought, who's very colorful? Judy. But her makeup look would be very basic. So then I thought Vanellope Von Schweetz, the newest addition to Disney Dreamlight Valley, which I also play religiously, and her makeup look was also pretty basic with like the candy in the hair. So then I thought back to one of the very first outfits in Disney Dreamlight Valley. Well, it's a skirt, and it's a cupcake skirt. It's her cupcake skirt. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do cupcake makeup and kind of, you know, inspired by Vanellope. Well, I'm not creative at all. So I went to Instagram because I'm not dumb. I know where to look for good makeup. So I looked at a ton of different cupcake inspired makeup looks, and I found one that I was super in love with. So this is from Jen Siren. I don't know if I'm saying her name correctly, but I will have her linked below. This is the photo that inspired me to do this, plus also I'm totally copying it because I of course am not creative. So thankful to her for being extremely artistic and creative. I'm going to try and recreate this the best I can because your girl has zero talent. Well, I don't have zero talent. She has lots of talent. So these are the images here, and I'm going to try my best to recreate it. Let me just play this video, and this is going to be kind of like my following guide. So this is what I'm going to do, and we're going to hope for the best. So I have to figure out how to pin these brows down. So I'm gonna have to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. I'm just gonna goop this on the best I can just so I can really stick these brows down. I'm gonna let that dry, and I think I'm gonna add another layer. Okay, so here's the Fantasy palette. How gorgeous are these shades? I'm going to first take this pink one, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. And then I have the Adventure palette. So this is the purple shade that I'm going to use. It's kind of like a metallic-y shimmer, but it's more like a dry matte, like a wet dry matte formula. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what it is. So I'm going to put this on this lid. Okay, so taking the Adventure palette, I'm going to take this brown shade, and I'm going to start kind of like a long rainbow U shape. And with the Fantasy palette, I'm going to do the same thing with this dark blue to this side. Now in this one, I'm going to take this orange, and I'm going to try and mix and buff this orange color out. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this orange shade and apply that on top of that to try and change the color a little. Back in with the light orange. Now I'm going to take some of this yellow shade and apply it to the top just to ombre it a little bit. It's not perfect, but it's fine. So now I'm going to take this yellow shade over here in this palette. Then I'm going to take a smidge of that brown shade. And then taking that yellow shade again from the blue palette, I'm going to apply that on top. Does this look like a cupcake? I don't think this does. It looks like a mustache wearing a hat. Okay, so let's work on this side. Let's do a combination of this blue on the bottom and then this light blue. Okay, I feel like that's somewhat even. So now it's onto the green. I'm gonna take this dark green here. No, let's take this dark green and use that as like that base. And then I'm gonna take that level up shade, which is a limey greeny shade. And then the super light green shade. Okay, so now I'm going to do the pink and the purple on my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to do liner, lashes, and foundation, and I'll be right back to continue this cupcake situation. Liner and lashes are on, foundation. Now we're going to get into this blush right here. It's in the shade Panther, which is super cute. It's a cream powder blush, and this is the shade. I'm hoping that this is super bright like it looks. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go in really light at first, and I'm going to literally do all of my cheek. This is a clean brush, by the way. And a little bit of product definitely goes a long way. And I want to kind of bring this up. How do girls do the whole like nose thing? Like that? You just kind of swoop it under, I guess. I'm new to the whole like super blush thing. Probably like that. Okay. I think that once I put sprinkles on my face, this will look so much more like a cupcake. Okay, this is kind of cute. I'm kind of liking how this blush moment is looking. Oh my god, this blush is really pretty. I actually don't own a blush that's like this certain like pink tone. And I actually feel like this could be like a top 5 favorite blush for me. I'm not just saying that. Like, I really like this blush color. This blush is everything. Okay, so a couple of products here. I have some highlighters that I want to swatch, just kind of to like intensify the color of the cheeks a little bit. So I have Pyro here. So I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand. And this one has kind of like a peachy pink hue to it. And then we have this highlighter here in Elemental Pearl. These are called Elemental Pearl. This is called Geo. So now let me swatch this one. This one's more of a yellow. So I'm going to take Pyro, the pinky one, and I'm just gonna take this brush here because it's clean. I'm just gonna add just some to the cheek. Oh yeah, see, now it's giving it a glisten. It's giving it an overall glisten. Ooh, okay, this is pretty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're glistening now. Great. Okay, I have another product here. I was really excited about this one. This is a Shapeshifter shadow in Necronomicon. I guess it's like a play on a necromancer. Or maybe not, because it has like a spaceship on it. I'm so excited to swatch this. Oh my gosh, it's like green and purple. Okay, you look at it, it's green. Hold on, it's green, but then it's purple. Oh, it's not doing it because the lighting. It's green and purple. I hope it'll swatch like that. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, you can't see it. It's purple and then it's green. The shift on this baby is insane. Hold on. Why can't we see it in person? Kind of, you're kind of getting the color, and then it goes green with like a purple shift. Oh man, you can't see it. Oh, that's insane. I highly recommend. They have so many different colors of these Shapeshifter shadows. That was magical, you guys. Okay, obsessed with that. And then I got this liner. This is the After School eyeliner in the shade Oracle, and this is their green one, which I'm gonna use for some sprinkles. So oh, I'm so excited. I was like, okay, this liner's probably gonna not be as like bright as like they say it is. No, honey, she bright. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let me look back at this picture and kind of see how she has these sprinkles. I'm pretty sure she has like real sprinkles on her face or something, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna draw some on. My camera cut me off, so I don't know what I said last, but now that I'm looking at the picture of her, I'm like, I don't really look like that, but it's fine. So now I'm gonna draw on a couple of these sprinkles, which she kind of starts it here. So I'm just gonna, these are my little sprinkle babies. You probably won't see it very good on the blue side. Okay, now I'm gonna do some of my cheeks. She didn't, oh no, she did do it on her cheeks. So I'm gonna do a couple of cheek sprinkles. A little longer than normal ones, but it's fine. I love it so much. I love this green. I cannot wait to play. So since I have other colorful liners, I'm just gonna like do some more sprinkles with the colorful liners just so I can, you know, make the look come together. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is my completed cupcake look. What do we think? Does this look like cupcakes to you? Does it look like the photo to you? The answer is no. Well, I tried. But I do want to say thank you so much to Game Beauty for inspiring my creativity in this video. Honestly, I was not feeling inspired at all until I got this makeup, just because of the fact that it's the name, it's the color stories, it's everything. Like, these two palettes are beautiful. They have several other palettes that I recommend you go check out. Go to the website, check it out for yourself, and just get inspired to play with makeup, you know? And if you're a game lover like me, this is probably a really cute company that you would love to keep purchasing from. I absolutely love this blush. This blush is a game changer, and so is this bright green eyeliner, like beyond, you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Game Beauty, for sending me the products. I hope that you guys all enjoyed this look, and yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.